When we first began our journey of the Dare to Dream Academy, we had so much going through our mind, like wondering who was going to be our roommate, if it was going to be someone similar or different from us, feeling shy to make friends and meet new people, thinking of our family back home, how we would miss them a lot, thinking to ourselves, oh geez, what did I get myself into? Wondering how the whole week would go or how I would make it to the end. Having an exciting feeling inside because it was something new that I've never done before. Who would ever think that our lives were going to change in this Dare to Dream Academy?
When I first got to WSU, I was scared. The kind of scared that would be overpowered by hope, engaging with each other, and most important, the power of being able to dream. Well, let's find out why I began to dream. I took science back in Pasco High School, but my dreams to being able to graduate on time started to go down the drain, faster than a cup falling off the table. I had seen my grades, and I would always try to bring it up. But I felt like no matter what I did, my grades didn't seem to go up. I was then invited to WSU, where I took a science class. Not only did I begin to start liking science once again, but I started to understand it. Then I opened my eyes and realized that I had skills to pass the class. I began to learn more science in a week at WSU than I did in a year at Pasco High School. I was able to have fun with my group and many more. In science, we did some very strange stuff together. DNA was what we did with our spit. I never imagined that being able to have such a great group that would do their parts that were given to them would make a difference. It made a difference because we engaged with each other and gave each other that support that we needed. WSU opened my mind and eyes, and now I'm a dreamer helping others to start dreaming.
The anatomy class we went to was great. The first day, we learned about body systems and how they worked. I liked learning about the cardiovascular system. We learned how to make good nutritional choices for our bodies. Also, we learned about the reproductive system and how it worked. As a group, we learned about karyotyping and cells. We explored how diseases spread between people and how to figure out who was the first person infected. We got to do many activities like take each other's vitals, trace diseases, and diagnose chromosomal problems.
The geology class we took was excellent on the first day. In the class, we learned about how the Earth's materials downslope by the gravities, and went for a long walk around WSU, literally. We also learned about fossils, volcanoes, and rocks. And we all had fun blowing up water and looking through our buildings' museums, which was pretty beast. And I got to study rocks and tasted them, but even though I tasted the wrong one.
At the beginning, we were all a bit scared because we were all strangers. The only people we knew were the ones that came from our school. Now you can see how close we all became, from not knowing anyone's names to knowing their whole story. Who knew that a group of unknown people would become so immensely close in just 7 days? Dare to Dream lined up our dark past and gave us hope, as well as showing us that there is people out there that believe in us.